My interest for experimental economics started during my PhD, that was some time ago, and it continued and grown, and I decided to let's say deepen my knowledge and get more qualification on this topic, because my background is in behavioral economics, but about experimental economics, I needed a more focused knowledge. It's changed a lot. It gave me a more clear picture of the rigor and the scientific method that we need to use in measuring behavior, in understanding human decisions. And to be honest, after just 5 days, I'm able to design an experiment. What makes me happy joining this course is the quality of the people, the quality of the knowledge I got. When I say the quality of the people are the team, the lectures, and my colleagues. So yeah, everything is amazing.